Hi everyone, my name is Kate Oates and I am a knitwear designer. I'm also an instructor, a retreat hostess, and author. I'm really excited to talk to you about Mosaic Colorwork knitting. It's not only really fun, but it's also a lot more simple than you may think. You're only going to be working with a single color every row. I use this technique on an upcoming design called Versa, and I absolutely fell in love with this method. In our Fiberside chat, we're going to be talking about all the things that you need to know for your very first Mosaic knitting colorwork project. This will include how to read charts, how to choose colors and fibers appropriately, how to slip stitches without twisting them, how to manage your floats. I'll also be demonstrating the technique myself, so you'll be able to take a close look at what my fingers are doing as I work through a few rows of mosaic knitting with two colors. Before the chat even begins, you're going to receive a really useful handout. You're also going to get instructions for what you should have on hand if you would like to work alongside with me just over a small swatch. So I hope that you'll join me in our chat. I love enabling knitters to try new things, and mosaic colorwork knitting is definitely a valuable skill to have.